This is a video showing my trade history for May 2025, which had 24% interest trading synthetic indices on both CFDs and binary options. So here in the DerivVU-Server account, it was only 62 cents profit, okay, for the month. And that's just in the DerivVU-Server account. And if I come to select the time period, you can see 1 month from 1 May to 1 June, though it's still in the morning for 1 June. No trades have been opened yet. And these were just the trades. So it was an increase on the account from $35 to about $45. And there was a withdrawal for $10. Then this is the BVI FSC account, which has stronger regulation, but it can only be traded with bigger accounts. This one with the $3.26 profit, it only had one trade. And for my accounts, you see that the deposits and withdrawals might not make sense because I'll be moving money out of the MT5 to move it to the D trader so I can trade binary options there. In the back office here, so if I go to the D trader, that's where you can then see the trades for the binary options. And I will start trading financial instruments next year onwards, next month onwards, for June, which is this month actually now, since it's the 1st of June. Then I'm coming to the closed trades now here. And for trading the binary options this month, there were 2 profitable trades. Okay, the next one will now be in December. But now for the binary options, because I was trading them before I was trading this strategy for the CFDs on MetaTrader, I actually have a better profit, not necessarily in terms of monetary value, but the time period. It's a 7-month trade history now, which is profitable from November to May this year. So for that 7-month period, it's now a profit of $11. In November, it was about $20. Maybe in December, it was about $50 capital. Then in this year, it was almost around $30, with about $35 from last month. So there's more consistency there on the binary options because I had started trading this strategy from 2023 and had developed it better. So for the reports, I'm just going to show the withdrawal of the $10. Then I shall deposit more money later on, so there will be better profits later on this year. Okay, so you can see for the withdrawal, there is one there on 13 May for $10. The other one now was in April. It's not necessary since I already withdrew for the previous month. So that $10 withdrawal is the reason why you are seeing here it's written $35. And then for the DerivFX, I did not open any trades in the STP account for Forex. On those which show broker statements, it's just the BVI FSC account which had a profit. And overall this year now, for the whole of this year, I now have a profit, although it is a small profit, because on the first 4 months of this year, January to April, I had not yet fully developed my strategy for CFDs. So I noticed on the end of April that after revising through my trades which I had made for those 4 months, there was something in which I was making a mistake. So I then fixed that error, and that's why this month there was a profitable month. And if you add the profits all you saw in the binary options for this year, and then also for the CFDs, I do now have a small slight profit for this year in terms of percentage wise. So we have these two for May, which are the only two trades for this year since that one is in December. But for the CFDs on MetaTrader, if I now select custom period 31 May to 1 January, okay, 1 January then to 31 May, like that. Here the BVI FSC account is this $5 26 profit, whilst the DerivVU-Server account was in a loss with $12.40. But if you subtract the $12.40 minus the about $5.26 in the BVI FSC account, plus if you also subtract the profits also which were on this year for the binary options on these trades, there would just now be a slight positive profit. And that's because for the first 4 months of this year, I was using a small compensation for the difference between back tests and future price in trading. So I then saw that I was trading a little bit too aggressive because I was not giving a sentiment which is more bigger in terms of compensation of what it can do from back test to future price. So after seeing what had responded in the back test, that's why this month now it wasn't a problem being profitable. Although in those 4 months, first 4 months of the year, there still was some profitable months, which you can just check on the YouTube channel on the trade histories there. Actually 2 of them. So I shall deposit another amount so that there will be more bigger profits this year. And then also as I shall increase back tests, I shall be trading more trades also in the binary options, so there will be better returns and a big amount by end of the year.